Let's sit straight. Sit straight, sit comfortable. Keep your spine straight. Eyes will be closed. Both hands, let's keep them on your knees, palms facing upwards. Close your eyes. While your eyes are closed, focus at the center of the eyes, at the eyebrow center. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Inhale. Inhale from your nose. Take it to the throat, then to the chest, and fill your stomach with the air. And while you exhale, take it from the stomach, then to the chest, then to the throat, and exhale it from the nostril. Take another deep breath. Breathe in and breathe out. Now, with a lot of gratitude for this beautiful day, body, let us chant Omkar 3 times. And while you chant, inhale deeply. And then while you exhale, we'll be chanting Omkar. Right? So let's do it together for 3 times. Take a deep breath. Om. Try to feel the Omkar vibrations. Take another deep breath. One last time. Take a deep breath. And with a lot of gratitude for this beautiful day and the beautiful body, slowly join your hands in Namaskar Mudra, joining your palms together in front of your chest. And let us start our practice with this prayer. Om Yogena Chittasya Padena Vacha Balam Sharirasya Vadakena Yopakarottam Pravaram Muninam Patanjalim Pranjaliranatosmi Abahu Rishakaram Shantachakrasitharinam Sahasrishirsham Shvetam Pranamami Patanjalim. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Slowly rub your hands together to generate some heat. Cover your eyes with your palms and looking through the gaps of the fingers, you may gently open your eyes with a beautiful smile. Perfect. Let's get started with a bit of stretching that will help you to open up the joints. Hold your knees. Slowly inhale, take your head up. Exhale, bring it down, chin to the chest. Inhale up. Keep your eyes open. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. One last time. Inhale up. And exhale down. From here, let's start with neck rotation. Try to take your head from the right to the center, to the back, then to the center, touching your chin to the chest. 2. Half circle inhale and half circle exhale. 3. 4. Keep your eyes open. Try to rotate your eyes within the loop. And 5. Let's go reverse anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly exhale, come back to the center and release your neck. From here, hold your knees again. And from just lift up your shoulders, take them to the back, bring them down, and then make a big circle with your shoulders. It's like you are lifting up your shoulders and try to make a big circle. So inhale, lift up, and take it back, and exhale, bring it down. It's like you can hear my breath. Four and 5. Let's go reverse from back to front. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly exhale and release. Now from here, take your right hand up, take it on the top, take it to the back, touch the middle of your back, hold your elbow with the left hand, and try to push your hand down deeper on your back. And hold it there for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly exhale, bring it down. Take your left hand back, hold it with the right hand, push it down, and hold for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly exhale and release. Bring your hands down. Now take your right hand on the side, palms facing front. Bring your hand in front of your chest, keeping your hand straight. Interlock it with the left hand, both hands 90 degrees to each other. Push your hand back, feel the stretch in your shoulder for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly exhale and change. Bring your left hand in front of your chest, interlock it with the right hand. Push your hand back, feel the stretch in your shoulder, and hold for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly take your both hands at the back, interlock your hands at the back, stretch at the hands at the back, and open up your chest for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly exhale and release. Interlock your hands in the front. Flip your hand outside, stretch, and open up your back. Hands are going forward, body going backward. So feel the stretch in your upper back for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. From here, slowly inhale. Take your hands up. Lengthen your spine. Keep breathing. Do not hold the breath for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. From here, slowly bend to the left without lifting up your hips. Feel the stretch on your sides and let it lats. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly exhale. Come back to the center. Bend to the right. And keep breathing for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly exhale. Come back to the center and release your hands. Now from here, take your left hand parallel to the mat. Take it down in line with your knee. The knee and the hand are in one straight line. You can come forward and backwards. Right? Now from here, bend to the left. Take your right hand on the left side and go down. You can bend your elbow a bit, bring it down. The bent elbow down is bent. Yes. Hold it, feel the stretch laterally on the side. Keep breathing for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly exhale and release. Now chain the side. Take your right hand down in line with your knee. Bend to the right side for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly exhale. Come back to the center and release. Now take your right hand on your left knee, hold your left knee, keep your spine straight, take your left hand, take it to the back, twist your body, look back, only rotate your torso, do not change anything on the lower body for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly exhale, come back to the center, change the side, take your left hand on the right knee, take your right hand, twist your body, look back for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly exhale. Come back to the center. and release. Now bring your both the hands in the front, palms on the mat. Try to slide forward and try to go deeper as much as possible. Keep breathing. Do not hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly exhale and bring your hands back. Slide them backwards. Now from here, join your feet in the front, joining your soles together. Keep them as close as possible to your body. Now hold all the toes with your both hands and try to stretch up. Feel the pressure in your inner thighs. And in the same position, inhale, bend forward, try to go down, looking into the front. Keep looking into the front and hold it there for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly exhale and come up. Now hold your feet again and let's start to flap your feet in Titli Asana or butterfly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly exhale and release. Now from here, bring your both the legs together in front of and on the mat. You can keep your body straight. Ensure that you are 90-degree on the mat. Do not lean back or move forward. Just try to keep it as 90-degree with the mat. Now from here, keep your both legs together. Keep your feet together. Here, take your feet out, inhaling. Exhaling, bring it back towards your body. Inhale out. Exhale in. 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 One last time. Inhale out and hold for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. From here, let's start to rotate your feet along, both the feet together in a clockwise direction. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's go reverse anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly exhale and release. Now take your hands a bit back. Open up your chest, keep your spine straight, and stretch your feet, both the feet extended outside. And let's start to lift up your feet alternatively. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly exhale and release. Now from here, fold your both the legs, bring your hands in the front, and let's come to Marjari Asana, cat and cow. Yeah, I'm sure you guys will be needing one more mat.
Yeah.
All right. Right. So keep your hands in line with the chest, shoulders. So your wrist in line with the shoulder. They're in one straight line, right? And your knee is in line with your hip joints, right? Spine neutral for now. If you see my spine, it's completely one straight line, right? Okay. So looking into the front, slowly inhale, look up, arch your back. And exhale, go down, round your back, suck your belly, look towards your navel. Again, inhale, look up, arch your back. Exhale, go down, round your back. Again, inhale, look up, arch your back. Exhale, go down, round your back. Keep breathing. Inhale, look up, arch your back. Exhale, go down, round your back. One last time. Inhale, look up, arch your back, and hold for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly exhale, go down, round your back, suck your belly, look towards your navel for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly exhale, come back to the center and make a spine neutral. From here, take your both the hands into the front towards the corner of the mat. Arch your back. Feel that arch at the back. Slowly bring your chin and chest down on the mat in extended puppy pose. Utthana Shishusasana for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly exhale and come up. Bring your hands back. Now very critically, keep the hands shoulder width apart. Right? Now from here, lift up your body. Take your body back. Try to keep your feet grounded. And come to Adho Mukha, downward facing dog. Try to push your body down and hold it there. 1, keep breathing. Don't hold your breath. Do not close your eyes. Eyes would be open. For 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. From here, let's start to pedal up your feet. Alternatively, lift up your ankles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly bring your knees down. Arch your back. Go back to child pose. Bring your head and hands down on the mat as comfortable as possible and hold it there for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly exhale. Bring your hands back. Let's sit in Vajra Asana, adjusting your hips on between your ankles. And keep your hands on your thighs, palms facing upwards, and hold. Keep breathing normally. You can inhale from your nose, exhale from your mouth. Calm your breath down. One more time. And from here, raise your both the hands into the front, palms facing front. And from you hold all the fingers along with the thumb with the opposite hand and push your hand back. Feel the stretch in your wrists for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now flip your hand, palm facing up, and push your hand down and holding all the fingers along with the thumb, push your hand back. Feel the stretch on your wrist for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chain the hand. Now again, hold all the fingers, push your hand back on the top for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chain the hand towards the down side, palms facing up for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly exhale and release. And from here, let's bring your legs in the front. Again, come into the seated position. Now there is a breath pattern that we have to follow, okay? In all the asanas that we are going to do today or any time, we call it a Ujjayi breath, okay? Now, what is a Ujjayi breath? Ujjayi breath is basically throat breathing, okay? It can be related with snoring as well at times. So whenever you snore, you actually don't snore from your nose, you snore from your throat, right? At times, the breath goes down and stucks here, right? So it's like you are inhaling and exhaling from your throat. You can literally feel that vibration in your throat, okay, when you breathe from your throat. So it's like, if you can hear that voice that comes from inside, so it's like, right? The other way to feel it is bring your chin down on your chest, make a lock. This is called bandha or jalandhar bandh, which is throat lock, and then inhale from your throat. You must have felt the vibration in your throat, right? This is how the Ujjayi breath works. Okay. So all the asanas that we are going to do, we are going to inhale and exhale, but we'll try to use our throat. Okay. So whenever we inhale, we'll be inhaling from the throat, exhale from the nose, right? So it's like, now it will come with more practice, right? Initially, just to understand, the focus on the breath should be from the throat. That's the only thing, which is called Ujjayi breath. Okay. So bring your legs into the front. Yeah. You're saying something?
Throat
All
means
good?
mouth. Inhaling from.
Yeah, inhaling from the throat. So inhaling from the throat is from here.
Yeah, that is from mouth.
Yes. So when you take the breath in, it will come from throat. Usually we take the breath in from the nose. So your nose contracts. Okay. But when you take breath from your throat, the throat contracts. Okay. It will come with practice. Don't worry on that. Okay. So it will come with practice. When you will see, you see this epiglottis getting contracted, right? When you inhale from your throat, the epiglottis gets contracted, which is actually your throat chakra. Okay. That is why Ujjayi breath is something that really helps in activating your throat chakra. Okay. That works wonders. Okay. If you see, when I'm inhaling from this very closely, if you see, this gets contracted. It sucks up inside, right? And that's what is actually when you are inhaling and exhaling. So that comes obviously with practice. Okay. So let's sit straight in Dandasana. Raise your both hands up. Again, inhale from your throat. Exhale, bend, bring your feet towards your body. Try to grab hold of your toes, keeping your spine straight. Look up and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly inhale, take your hands up. Hand down, bring hands down. Keep it again one more time. Inhale, raise your hands up, keeping your spine straight. Exhale, bend forward, hold your big toes. Keep your spine straight, look up and hold. For 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Keep breathing. Do not hold the breath. Again, inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, bring your hands down. Let's do it for third time. Inhale, raise your hands up. Lengthen your spine, keep your spine straight. Exhale, bend forward, hold your big toes. And look up, keeping your spine straight and hold for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly exhale and release. Raise your hands up and release. Perfect. Now from here, let's take your hands a bit back. Lie down on your back with your hands supporting you from the side. Just look at me once and then do it. Otherwise, you might not be able to see me when you are down. Right? So you're supporting your hands. Now, what we have to do, we have to engage your middle body, lift it up. Right? So your lower body is completely down on the mat from your hips to your toes. Okay, to your ankle. And then drop your head. Now here take Ujjayi breath for 10 times. Okay, let's come into the posture. Drop your head, lift up your middle body, keep your hands close as deep as possible. Start with Ujjayi breathing. Inhale from your throat, exhale from your mouth. Let's do it for 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly exhale. First, bring your middle body down. Then bring your head down. And let's lie down again. We'll repeat this asana again for 2 more times. This is called Vatsyasana. If you see, observe the posture is like a fish. Let's go for the second round. Lift up your head. Bring your hands on the sides. Lift your middle body up and drop your head on the back. And let's go for the second round. Adjust your hands. Lift your middle body up, arch up, and start to inhale from your throat for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly exhale, bring your hands down and release. Again, lie down on your back. Take a few normal breaths. And from here, take your left leg up, turn around. Let's come on your back. Bring your chest down. Keep your hands on the sides of your chest. We'll be going for Bhujangasana, 5 breaths or Cobra pose. Now, in Bhujangasanas, the elbows would not be bending, right? They will be bending, they'll be not straight. So from here, inhale, again use a Ujjayi breath from your throat. Now inhale, raise your upper body up, keep your elbows bent, open up your chest. Exhale, bring it down. Again inhale, lift your upper body. 2. Exhale, go down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Try not to keep your elbows bent. Hand would not be straight. Chest would be open like a cobra. 4th time, inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. One last time, inhale up and exhale down. Try to rest your head on your hands in the front in Makarasana. And both hands on the top of each other. Take normal breaths. And let's get ready for the second round of Bhujangasana or Cobra pose. Bring your hands close to the chest. And from here, inhale, raise your upper body up from your throat. Keep your elbows bent, open up your chest. Exhale, bring it down. Inhale up from your throat, breathe. 2, 3, down. 4. You can hear my breath that I'm taking from my throat. Last one. Exhale down and again relax both your hands on the top of each other and hold for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly exhale and release. Keep breathing. And again, turn around, come back on your back. Turn around, come back on your back. Now we go for the second last task for the day. Raise your both legs up. You can keep your hands on the sides, like keeping your hands straight on the sides. Or you can make a kind of a star by joining the fingers, the index finger and the thumb, and keep it up below your hips just to support your hips, right? And then raise your legs up straight in 90-degree, and then just hold. Keep breathing from your throat. Let's do it for 5 times. Inhale and exhale. 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 Slowly exhale. Bring your legs down. Now this is leg raises. Similar thing we can do along with the wall. Okay, so rather than lifting the legs directly up, we can do it with the wall, which is called as Viparit Karni, legs on the wall, right? I'm not doing it here because then you will need the wall space right now. Okay, but once you do it with the wall, it is gonna be very effective. You don't have to hold your legs then. Okay, so in the same way, you can just be on the wall. I will tell you by the end of session that you can practice it daily before you sleep and practice it for 5 minutes before you sleep. Okay, so let's go for the second round on leg raises. Inhale from your throat, raise your leg up, and let's take 5 Ujjayi breaths here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly exhale, bring your legs down and release. Perfect. Now fold your both the legs. Let's go for Setubandhasana, the last asana for the day. Fold your both the legs. Now keep your hands on the side of your hips. If you can go as close as possible to your ankles, right? Even if you can hold the ankles, Rekha, if you can, like since you have been practicing, right? And even Kiran, you can try keeping going close to your ankle, okay? Now keeping your both legs together, slowly inhale, lift your middle body up. Again, exhale, bring it down. Throat breathing. Like I said, all the asanas will be only using the throat breathing or Ujjayi breath, right? So inhale from your throat, lift your body up, contract your epiglottis. Exhale, bring it down. Inhale up. As up as possible, exhale down. If you see there is a lot of pressure coming on your throat as well, because you are lifting up your total body up to your throat or your neck. Down, inhale up, exhale down. One last time, inhale up, exhale down, and release. Take a few normal breaths. We'll repeat one more time, 5 counts. Let's go for the second round. Keep your eyes open. Focus on your breath. Bring all your attention to the center of your throat, the throat chakra. As they say, wherever attention goes, energy flows. Let's bring our intention to your throat chakra. Now inhale from your throat, lift your middle body up. Let's go for the second round of Setubandhasana. Exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down. One last time. Inhale up and hold. Keep your upper body and keep breathing from your throat. Hold it for 10 counts. 1, 2, keep breathing from your throat. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly exhale, bring your hands down, bring your body down, and release. Take a few normal breaths. You can normally inhale and exhale. Let's calm your body down. Now open your hands on the sides, palms facing down. You can fold your legs down. Again, fold your legs. Now let's go for a twist. Let's move towards the pull down. take your both legs together towards the right side. Take your knees down towards the right and twist your body. Look towards the left. Supine twist. Feel the movement on your back for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly exhale. Come back to the center. Bend to the left. Look towards the right for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly exhale. Come back to the center and release. Now from here, stretch your right leg. Again, take a Ujjayi breath. Hold your left elbow. Bring your chin to the chest. Try to lift up your body and hold. Keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly exhale and change. Stretch your left leg. Fold your right leg. Bring your chin to the chest. Hold up your body. Keep breathing for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly exhale and release. Stretch your both the legs. Stretch your hands on the top. Raise your hands up. Stretch your entire body from top to toe for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly exhale and release. Bring your hands down. Now take a turn to the left or the right side. Take a hand support and slowly come and sit in Sukhasana in a comfortable posture. Perfect. Now again from here, we'll go with 2 pranayams. One is going to be Ujjayi pranayam. So how do we do the Ujjayi pranayam? Like we do Ujjayi breath, simply we will be doing Ujjayi pranayam. Okay. So for that, we will be using a bandha, which is a lock. So both hands will remain in chin mudra. The first 2 fingers touching the tips. Okay. We'll keep them on the knees. And then we will be inhaling from the throat. Hold the breath. Just look at me once and then do it. Inhale from the throat, hold the breath, and bend your head down. And just hold it there. Now we'll be doing 3 rounds of 5 breaths each. The lock would be still here. That's called throat lock or Jalandhar Bandha. We'll be inhaling from the throat, holding for a few seconds, and then exhaling. Okay? So inhale from your throat, hold, and exhale from your nose. We'll do 2 rounds, 5 breaths each. Okay? So both hands in chin mudra on your knees. Inhale from your throat. Keep your eyes closed. Now bring your head down, chin to the chest. Release from your nose. Again, inhale from your throat. Exhale, 2. 3. 4. And 5. Slowly release your neck. Relax for a while before we go for the second round. Again, take a deep breath. Bring your head down. Get into Jalandhar Bandha. Exhale. Let's go for the second time. Inhale from your throat. Do it 5 times. 3, 4, 5, and release. Slowly exhale and come up. Relax for a while. You can keep your eyes closed. Focus at the center of the eyes. Inhale from your nose, exhale from your mouth. And once you're ready, you may gently open your eyes and understand the last pranayama. Alright, now we go for something called as Bhramari pranayama, which we were talking the other day. Okay, now this is where we'll be using our breath, the hummingbee breath. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to use our thumb. Since I'm using a headset, I can't do this, right? But I'll just show you. right? So you have to close your thumb, right? By using the ear lobes, just press the ear lobes up, right? And then close the thumb completely, close your ears completely so that there is no voice coming in. Okay? You'll be blocking the voice. Okay? And then closing the voice, then use your hand, keep them on your above, on your head, on your eyebrows, basically, right? Then the second finger, which is the ring finger, you'll keep it on the nose, like the center point of the nose. Just touch it. They don't press it, just touch it there. The third finger will go below the nose, and the last will go below the lips, right? And this one, since I'm wearing the specs, so if I have to show it to you, this is like this. You're closing 1, 2, 3, and 4. The last finger can be free as well. So you're closing basically it's not about where you keep the last four fingers. Important is to close the ears. Okay. Now while you inhale, again you'll be using a Ujjayi breath. And while you exhale, you're making a humming bee sound like let's do it together. Right? Get into the posture. Eyes and will remain closed. Close your ears. Put your fingers on your eyes and then the nose, then the mouth. Close your ears. Let's inhale. Let's start to exhale by making a humming bee sound. Second time, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. You should hear that reverb happening inside while we inhale and exhale. You might not be even able to listen to my voice, which is absolutely fine. Let's do it for 2 more times. Complete the last round. There might be any voice that might be reaching your ears. And relax your hands. Take few normal breaths. Now this is the Bhramari Pranayama or the humming bee breath. You can keep your eyes closed, observe your breath. And let's go for 10 Ujjayi breaths again. Take a deep breath from your throat. Inhale, completely fill your belly with the air. And exhale it from your nose. Continue to focus at the center of the eyes. Let's do it 4 times. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10. Slowly relax. Observe, take your normal breath. And once you are ready, you may slowly join your hands at the heart center in Namaskara Mudra, joining the palms together. And let us bless the whole world in this calm and peaceful state of mind. Om Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Slowly rub your hand. Generate some heat. Cover your eyes with your palms. And looking through the gaps of the fingers, you may gently open your eyes with the beautiful smile. All right. Perfect.